The question here is to find the minimum value of this function, that is sin x into cos x. So we have sin x into cos x as fx. What we are going to do is to multiply and divide it by 2. So if I do so, what we are going to do from here, what we are going to get is what? Sin 2x. So we have actually half sin 2x. Now check here, we know that sin 2x, for sine, any value of this angle, say theta, it varies from -1 to 1. But then we need half of this, so we'll be multiplying by half. So this is what? Like we are multiplying half on each side. So this results to give you half. So this is what? This is fx only. So we can say from here that the fx has the minimum value as half and the maximum, sorry, minimum as minus half and the maximum as half. But then we just had to find out the minimum value, and as you can see, minus half is the correct answer in this case. In this question, we have to find out the length of the largest interval on which this function, that is sine 3x minus 4 sine cube x, is increasing. So we are given fx, and fx is what? This is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Now this is what? This is sine 3x, so I can write this as sine 3x. Now check what we know about sin x. We know that sin x is increasing in the interval what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is what sin x is increasing. But then that from here what we can conclude, that we need to find out increasing. For increasing, this 3x has to be between the interval minus, for increasing, right? For increasing, this interval has to be between, that 3x has to be between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So that implies for getting x, I'm going to divide it by 3. So this is going to be minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. Right. But then we realize is that we have to find out the length and not the interval. So the interval in this case, right, the length of the interval, not the interval. So we can see that the length in that case will be what? Upper limit minus lower limit. This is upper limit minus the lower limit. That results to give you how much? Pi by 6 plus pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, which is pi by 3. Yes, so this is the length here. And the length of the interval is going to be pi by 2, which is, no, not pi by 2, sorry, it's pi by 3. That is option A.